Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my at-home nail care routine. So I'm going to be using the LA Colors MEGAGROW nail treatment. And then nail clippers that also have a nail file attachment and this hook. So let's get right into the video. So this is what my nails are looking like before I have done anything to them. And now first I'm just going to trim my nails into a rounded shape using the nail clipper. Now using the rounded edge of the nail file and also the nail clipper, I'm going to trim my cuticles. Now I'm going to add the MEGAGROW nail treatment. And now I'm all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.